The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kendall County. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Ogle County in north central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north central Illinois, until 7 a.m. At 6:03 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Beloit to near Rockford Airport to near Rochelle, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crystal Lake, Algonquin Lake, Indiana The Hills, McHenry, Belvedere, Woodstock, Hunley, Loves Park, Fox Lake, Harvard, Island Lake, Marengo, Poplar Grove, Genoa, Cary, Johnsburg, Lake Muir, Spring Grove, Candlewick Lake, and Fox River Grove. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 102 and 113. Interstate 90 between mile markers 19 and 40. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Marine Hills State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has